So this is my code for my game. The variables at the top are for each circle for game one. As you can see here, when I start the game, each circle is a designated. And then this is for the buttons, the game temp, so that way it can decide which game it goes to. These are also for the circles, so that way when you click them in game one, if it's at false, it'll still be there. And then when it's true, it'll disappear into blue. And then these variables right here are for the shape speed, and then for it to go left or right or top or bottom for game two. So in game two, it moves the circle up and down. That's these X positions right here, and then the X speed, X directions. And these are for the game totals for the score. And then this is, so it sets up the framework for the game. For the main menu right here, this canvas creates the size that I decided for mine. The button position right here, the create button for the main menu, so go back and forth. And then the mouse pressed, so it could go back to the menu. And then the create button for game one. And then the create game button for game two. The draw function is what draws the game. So the fill is for the black, and then the rectangle to fill it. And then for if temp 0, which would be the main menu, it would be fill red. So it has the red, and then the text size, and then to align it to the center. And then if it's in temp 1, it takes you to game 1, which then fills it with blue, and then the text size in the center. Then these are the buttons to start it. So start game 1, and then the next level. So after you do this, you complete next level, sets you to the level 2. This code right here is for game 1. It's for each circle, for the size, and for where it should be. It's a typo. Else if it's in temp 2, it should be game 2 with the green background with this game 2 and it's centered in white. And this keeps the score for you. So what you're keeping when you start game 2, it's moving slow because I'm recording, but you can just follow it. This is for the circle. The position plus X speed and X direction helps it, moves it into the directions. And these functions are for the temp, so that way I can click game 1 and it go to game 1, or game 2 or 0 for the menu. So then the functions for play game 1, if it's false, it means that they're there. So then when you click them, it's true, so it turns blue. And then for game 2, there's not really any clicking of buttons, it's just following it to gain the score. Right here is for when it's true, it fills it. And then that's it. That's my code. I did this all by myself because I was in a lone group.